I've never been so excited in my life. I haven't slept properly in 2 days, all night long, tossing and turning. It is the greatest honor in the world to be able to perform at Gathering Nations.
You want such a powerful warrior. You want such a sight to see. You had courage, I can see it in your eyes. You had strength and sincerity. Oh, now I'm calling you to rise up and shine. Now I'm calling you to rise up and shine. What great warrior, can you hear my cry? Cry, cry, cry.
My name is Robin Hairston. I am the creator of Blue Mountain Tribe. Not only am I the creator, but I'm the harmonica player, songwriter, and singer. And what's really funny is I didn't like my voice. I hated my voice. And I was auditioning vocalists, and nothing but problems. There's something about vocalists, they have very big egos. And so I went through so many vocalists. Well, somebody had heard me singing, and they said, Robin, why don't you, I heard you singing, why don't you sing?
Now I'm calling you to rise up and shine. What great glory, can you hear my cry? Cry, cry, cry. What great glory, can you hear my cry? What great glory, so great glory, can you hear my cry?
Well, Albuquerque is a fairly central location. I mean, it's the heart of the West. I mean, the western part of this nation, Albuquerque's smack dab in the middle of it. I'm from the Salagi Nation, and I was born in Oklahoma, but we moved out to California because my dad got a job out there. So we traveled back and forth Highway 66, and then it got turned into Interstate 40. But we traveled through Albuquerque so many times.
We're 3-time winners at the Native American Music Awards, and we're performing here tonight at 8 o'clock. We're 3-time winners at the Native American Music Awards, and we're performing here tonight at 8 o'clock. We're playing here at 8 o'clock tonight. 8 o'clock. If you're not doing anything. Hey, you guys. Hey, oh, God, I did. I already got them.
I started playing guitar when I was like late 12, 13 years old. What happened was I had me and my dad had just like moving in with my stepmom at the time, and so she had a guitar in the living room sitting there, and like I picked it up and sounded out the song Iron Man by Black Sabbath on one string. They were impressed by that. Like that's when they like realized I had a natural gift for music.
Good evening, Gathering Nation. We're called Blue Mountain Tribe. We love you. Thank you for coming. What great glory, can you hear my cry? Cry, cry, cry. What great glory, can you hear my cry? Cry, 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 cry. So great glory, can you hear my cry?
It's the first time I've been here personally, and well, I'm just so excited to play in front of our people and send our message of our music on how everything just is coming together, and the gathering of nations, and we're here. It's great.
Can you hear my cry? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh.
Let's bring it in. The first contest this afternoon. I believe we got the Tubi Girls. Let's see.
Are we ready to go?
Brings everybody together. No matter what music you listen to. I mean, we're a blues rock band, and but everybody from the rap to the country and to heavy metal and everything, music just brings people together. That's all I kind of, I feel for it. And me being a drummer, I'm playing drums, and drumming's big in our culture. So that's where I do a lot of my speaking as a drummer, and I love to drum, and I've been drumming for many years now too. So, but it's not traditional native drum, but behind the kit, my heart speaks.
Music and singing, especially vocals, has been with this world for a long time. Every single country has singing. Africa, I could go on and on and on. But all these countries that sing and write words and listen to words, they're searching for something special. Searching for something special, something that touches their heart. And it's instilled in our genes, music. Just like the bee knows where to go to find a flower, it's in our genes, embedded in us. It makes us feel good.
You're gonna lose your evil power. Pat Mata, vocals.
When I first got here, we got settled in. I went into the Coliseum and I wanted to see it, and I did. I watched the grand entry. I love drumming. I love drumming more than even the dancing, because I went in. I had to see the drum. I had to hear the drum. So I went in there and watched the grand opening, and I would say that was my most exciting thing, because my teacher said you got to go see the Gathering of Nations, and here I am finally after all these years. So that was probably the most exciting thing. The second most exciting thing is just being told that, only a few bands get picked to play here.
I got the blues today. I'm feeling down, I know it's you. Well, I'm feeling low down here. Think I head on down the road.
A lot of bands spend a lot of time and effort sending in their resumes. They're very stringent on who's going to play here. So just the fact that we made it and we're performing at a good spot I've never ever been so thrilled in my life, and especially to see so many Native Americans together. Because you go into any type of restaurant or anything like that, you're lucky to see a Native American, to have this many Native Americans just look around you and to see it. It gives you chills to your body. So exciting, so exhilarating. I've always wanted to come. Being born and raised in LA in California, my dream was to come to New Mexico, just because I heard about the lifestyle and the culture and all the Native Americans. So being able to play Gathering Nations and having a vehicle to get here and a reason to get here, it was just so cool.
I got the blues and I'm feeling down. Well, I'm headed to the mountain. Might not be coming back at all. Take it home, Caleb. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.